Right, hello and welcome back to Classic Britain. Today I'm joined with David, otherwise known as SU Yoda, and I've bought a new car.
Why?
Well, it's not new, it was built in 1969. However, it was sat in a shed for 16 years. So today's mission is, will it run?
No.
Be warned, this video is a little bit dull. Right, here we are. We are ready to start filming, but first, give you a bit of history on the car. So, this car was sat in a friend of mine's garage for 16 years, and you can see some pictures on screen now. It had a 5-speed gearbox out of an SD1 fitted in the late 90s, and he told me about it ages ago, and I completely forgot about it. Anyway, it pops up on Facebook, I buy it, here we are. But yeah, he hasn't done anything with it for 16 years.
Sheer idleness.
Sheer idleness, yeah. Some cool things about the car, other than having a 5-speed gearbox out of an SD1, which is quite a desirable modification, because the manual 4-speed S's, they tend to be quite, the revs get really high at 4th gear, you feel like you need another one. It's also got some retro Star Mag wheels, which are very cool, among a few other bits and bobs. But before we jump into the actual process of getting the car running, we need a quick disclaimer from David to stop all you angry commenters out there.
We have been here before, when we whipped out all of the spark plugs, squirted a bit of oil down the holes, and ran the engine on the starter motor for a little time, just to make sure oil was going up to the camshaft. And
because they're an issue on these engines, they're prone for camshaft issues.
It's a bit of a highly stressed area, so we had to make sure oil was up there before doing anything else.
Oh yeah.
So now, will it run? I don't know either.
Oh, you know you said you oiled all the holes?
Yes.
Did you oil mine?
No. Definitely not.
Right, it's dashpot time. How bad are they going to be?
Very bad. By the look of it. Oh.
Crikey. Does it move?
It moves.
It does move.
It does move.
Well, at least the dashpot's not seized. Now we'll check on the other side. Did you make the 2 scratches so you know which way round it goes?
Yeah.
Do you want me to remove that screw with my wee little fingers? That one's... So they both move?
Yes, which is a good thing.
Excellent.
Right.
That's a plus.
Get a bucket off.
Right, now it's time to remove the unions to see if the floats operate, or the float valve, right, the needle valve. Yeah. Right, we'll do that. So, testing the float.
We shall see. Perfect.
So it works.
He'll do.
So we have floats.
We
Perfect.
have floatage.
Right, as you saw in the last clip, it did indeed run. However, you can see from the video that it erupted like a geyser. Or is it geyser? Anyway, there was a spectacular hose burst and water went absolutely everywhere. Now we've discovered that someone at some point in the car's life made a very bad U-bend so that it wasn't connected to the heater, so the heater obviously leaks. Now we're doing a temporary bodge with some brand new hoses I had kicking around, and some garden hose, just so we can get the thing running and, you know, that sort of thing. But this is just a temporary thing, okay? This isn't permanent. Right, see if it will run again?
See if it goes.
Right, let's see if it will go.
Get it on. Bang it on.
There's nothing in the engine bay, is there?
Nothing.
Move the sandpaper.
Well, there's an engine there.
Well, yeah, but there'd be something very wrong if there wasn't.
You would.
It's been nicked. Right, oh, hang on.
Choke.
Yeah, not only that, I got to put extra water in it, don't I? Because we lost about 1 litre, and I just so happen to have. there's a very strong possibility another hose will just blow.
How's he looking there?
About 2 inches from the top, an inch.
Too bad.
That's alright. Pour that on.
Bit of choke, here we go. With a ho ho ho.
All the way out or not?
Yeah, try it.
Ready?
All the way out.
Yeah.
He didn't. Choke. That's better. Right. We need to speed things up a bit. Otherwise, the battery will go on us.
So you're going to give it some fuel so it will start straight away?
Try that. It's not pumping up, is it?
Give one per side like we did last time. Damn it! He's a man who can't be scared.
No, definitely not. Not no more. Right, give it a go. Fuel's obviously not pumping up, is it?
It will do eventually.
Try it again. I think the battery's for nothing. Right, take that bloody thing off here a minute, if we can.
Right, the pump may or may not shoot a geyser of fuel. We'll find out. If it does, that's a good thing. Well, sort of. Are you ready?
Yep.
Do you need choke out?
Yep, a little bit.
Ready?
Start, you've pressed the throttle again.
No, I haven't.
Right, try that. Runs.
Oh, call that a success.
Yeah.
So there was nothing coming out at all? No petrol?
No.
So the pump's knackered, obviously.
May not be. Could be the line back to the tank or the tank.
Yeah, that's true.
Full of crap. Could be many things.
But it does run.
Yeah.
And well, actually.
Yeah.
So,
Didn't sound bad at all.
obviously the throttle linkage needs sorting, right?
Yeah, but right. Give him a few more shifts
What, with my foot?
to loosen it up a bit. Yeah, give it another go.
It'd be nice to see if it'll idle.
In. Well, down.
Yeah, it is down.
No, you didn't.
Put the pedals to the floor.
Yeah, up then. Right. No, you're still sticking a bit. And again, down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. You're still sticking like a bugger.
It's like, it's almost like we're playing Bleed the Brakes, but really fast.
A bit more.
Bit more plus gas. That's running, actually ran, oh God, words. That ran really smoothly, actually. That was surprising. Good strong engine in this. Oil pressure light went out after a little while.
Good.
Which is good. If it just stayed on, might have been advisable to turn it off. Because there's no gauge on these, the Series 1's just a light. Which is slightly,
Nerving. Right, back on your throttle again. Down.
Yeah, it is down.
Up.
Yeah, up.
Ah, what's bloody sticking here? I know what it is. Use this bloody bit.
Is that right though? Is the linkage set up properly?
Yeah. Seems to be. Right, down. And up.
Yeah.
And down. And up. And down. And up. And down. And up.
And 1, 2, 3, 4.
Down.
Stretch 2, 3.
And up. And down. Leave it there for the moment. And up.
Yeah, and up.
And down. And up. And down. And up. And down. And up. And down. And up. And down.
This is like
And
we're
up.
doing. It is like we're doing cardio.
Up. 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 It's firmly bloody stuck.
Is it getting better?
Yeah, it is. Much better. Doing it on its own now.
The glories of plus gas.
Yes.
Why don't you just keep doing it?
Fire it up again.
Yeah.
Fire him up again.
Joint's starting to leak.
Yes.
To drip some nice atomised petrol on the exhaust manifold.
Right over the manifold.
Yeah.
Shit. Get this out again.
Give me that. Pour it back in, man! Pour it back in. Oh my god, that was really surprising. Good grief. Anyway, we'll cut back to you with the conclusion of this video. Right guys, thank you for watching this video. We're actually quite surprised how well it ran.
I am too, yes. I can feel the pub coming on.
Usually they rattle really badly because the cams, the main problem with this engine is the cams start dry. I mean there's no oil on them. People have thought about designing some sort of tray that sits in the engine to keep the cam lubricated all the time.
Be a pretty good idea.
It would be a good idea, yes. That's the main Achilles heel of these engines. But regular oil changes,
Yeah,
they're alright.
this one wasn't bad at all.
No.
Quiet as a mouse.
Well, the Red S we had rattled like a diesel, like a Perkins when we started it, but this didn't rattle at all.
No.
There was no noises or rattling or anything. It feels really tight, actually.
It's a good engine, I think. Good old engine. Tight as a mouse. In a house.
Tight as a mouse in a house.
Yeah.
With a grouse.
Yeah.
Wearing a blouse. In the month of... Yeah, we're going to stop rhyming now. Anyway guys, if you enjoyed the video, please loathe and despise, like and subscribe, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, share with your friends, comment down below, let us know what you think and what more you want to see on the channel. Follow all our social media, Classic Britain on Instagram, and again Classic Britain on Twitter. I'll put all the links in the description. And yeah, thanks for the support, and yeah, we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Nah.
We're going to the pub with a rubber dub.